Pemirsa Badan Pusat Statistik Kuningayang ring pengawit warasane mangkin India munggah ring 5 besar negara sanepini akeh ngerauhin wisatawan mancanegara majeng pariwisata Bali. Sili tunggilnyane sangkaning Bali miwah India menduwe perkanti antuk mekudang-kudang bidang sekadi agama miwah kebudayaan.
Konsul Jenderal India ring Bali Niharika Singh Mausang perkanti pantaraning India miwah Indonesia utamanya ni Bali sampun memargi dawagrin tur becik. Kauningin wilangan pengerah wisatawan India ke Bali dahat ageng. Ringgalah pungkuran Niharika mastikayang wilangan wisatawan India sanirau ke Pulau Dewata saya nincap taler sida munggah ring genah ka pertama pengerah wisman ke Bali. Ya diastun kantos mangkin durung kasiagayang penerbangan langsung utawi direct flight saking India nuju Bali. Pet Prade kasiagayang penerbangan langsung India Bali mejanten sida nincapang malih pengerah wisman India ke Bali.
Informed by the Indigo that they are starting a direct flight between the Medan and Indian city and then Jakarta and Indian city. Air India also is coming in a big way. So this is our hope. And see, when there was no direct flight and Indian tourist was coming via a third country, then we were number 2. At least this year, direct flight is going to start up to Jakarta or Medan. So this is something where I'm very hopeful, I'm very positive that we can be number 1. And in a similar manner, I also want that Balinese tourists, their number will increase in India also.
Niharika ngaptiang taler krama Bali sayan akeh sane rauh ke India. Dani Mausang kantos mangkin krama Bali akeh sane melancaran ke India antuk tirtayatra. Nanging kaptiang taler tetujon ngerauhin India, mangde sida ngerauhin kenah destinasi wisata antuk liburan santukan India madwe akeh genah wisata sane luwih tur eksotik. Purnawan Bali TV.